Hello guys, welcome to another video on WP Blogger YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated to WordPress tutorials for beginners. On this channel, I teach beginners all the tips, tricks and hacks on how to use WordPress successfully. In today's video, we are going to learn how to place a maintenance mode on our WordPress site. Maybe your site is undergoing some maintenance. Your site is not yet live. You are building it and you don't want people to see what is happening. And because of that, you want to put a maintenance mode on your site. This is the video for you. Watch this video to the end as I will share with you the step-by-step guide you need to accomplish this. Before we get started into today's video, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. Like and share this video with your friends and leave all your questions and feedback in the comment box below. If you are looking for the best WordPress hosting platform, I recommend Bluehost. Bluehost is the website we use, or is the hosting platform we use, and it's what I highly recommend. Bluehost is the best platform for all WordPress beginners. Click on the link below this video. It will bring you to the home page of Bluehost. Click on Get Started right here and come to this page. Select any of these packages to get started with Bluehost. Now let's get started into today's video. We are going to learn how to put our site into maintenance mode. In order to achieve this, we need to install a plugin which is very simple and beginner friendly. So follow the guide. Come over to your admin dashboard. On the left hand side, hover on plugins and click on add new. And I'll search for WP maintenance mode. This is the plugin I am talking about. Its settings and everything is very simple, so it's beginner friendly, and this is what I recommend for you. So let's just install it and I will activate it right here. Once it's activated, let's go into the settings and work with it. So settings is on your left hand side of the menu. Hover on it and click on WP maintenance mode. It is currently inactive, so let's activate it here. And that is the only button you need to click on, or the only button you need to select is to activate it, and click on Save Settings. Once the settings have been saved, let's go to Design. The title for our maintenance mode is maintenance mode here, and we have the heading. We can also select the color, and this is the message your users will see. You can also edit this message. Let's check out the available shortcodes. We can add these shortcodes inside, but let's go with this basic one here. So basically that is it. Let me hit Save Changes. Anytime you place your site on maintenance mode, as an admin, you can still access the website. So let's go to the front end. Let's visit the site. As an admin, you can still visit or access the website. Maintenance mode blocks non-admins from visiting your site. So I'll copy the URL here. We'll go to incognito mode and access the website and find out how it will look like for other front-end users. So as you can see here, this is a basic maintenance mode with our headline, our title, and the message we have for the users. Like I said, you can edit the message the way you want, and you can also do one or two settings or editing here. So guys, this is how easy it is to have a maintenance mode on your WordPress site. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, smash the like button, give me the thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm and it also helps me improve on my videos. Don't forget to like and also share this video with your friends. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment box below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification bell. Until I take leave of you, I want to remind you that I have prepared some resources for all WordPress beginners. Check the resources in the description box below this video. Go through these resources. They are meant to help you become a better WordPress user. Until I come your way with another awesome video, it's bye-bye from WP Blogger.